And dog, I'm telling you something, brother. Take off my glasses, because I'm serious, you know. Link me on Instagram, brother. I have a serious question for ask you, brother. That's why I message you over there. Link me on Instagram. I put it to the public for them see it. Message me back on Instagram, dog. JAMAICA'S game, I'm in a DM about a month or 2 months ago. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S game. I do another reaction. Today, guys, we're here with a special one. Just came across this one on YouTube. Never know the man them drop a song. Well, never know one of them drop a song. DENZ, Chirps. DENZ&RENZ. Whoever don't know them, I'm big in the reaction world. I don't know. So we're in the same field. So why them drop a song? So I say, yo, I'm gonna react. Cause that's what them do. Them react to other people's song. So I'm gonna react to film song and see what go on tonight. You see me? Big up them. After me watch them video, after me do my reaction, if them do the same reaction, I watch it also. So big up the G them. You see me? Big up the G them. Me reach out to them couple times. Me reach out to them on Instagram. Then I message me back. But it's all good. It's all good. Me big up on yourself. When I'm a co-worker same way. Big up on yourself. You see me? So we are gonna react and see where DENZ say. You understand? Don't know what it's about, but we're about to find out. Alright? Let's go. No doubt. Let's go, Benji. Let's go!
That's for Tony on the
Clean!
Trying to make it work.
Yeah. It's a whole new day. Yeah.
Manager, big up yourself for filming this. Let's go.
I'm just scanning through the motions, I'm just trying to make it work. Did these people really love me? But behind my back they smirk. Money don't come easy, boy, you gotta put in work.
Gospel. It start off with a bang, with a message, brother. With a not a message, a statement. Everybody can relate to. Everybody can relate to. Pull it up again. Pull it up again.
I'm just scanning through the motions, I'm just trying to make it work. Did these people really love me? But behind my back they smirk. Money don't come easy, boy, you gotta put in work. All these haters keep on talking, all they do is chirp. I'm just
all them do is chirp. Them attack shit. Them attack do. Flush what you say. Cause be a shit here chat. Flush that. You talk nice in front of my face and act like you're with me, but behind my back. You're not real, bro. You're not real. All you do is make being nice like a bike exhaust. You're not real, move your ass. DENZ, let's go.
Scanning through the motions, I'm just trying to make it work.
What?
These people really love me, but behind my back they smirk. Money don't come easy, boy, you gotta put in work. All these haters keep on talking, all they do is chirp. Born and raised in Hackney, never had it easy, but I always had a plan B.
No matter where your surrounding is, no matter what your situation is, dog, you can make it out. Get to youth, you can make it out. So this is what DENZ tell you, say, yo, me born a acne, brother. Me born a acne, but me always did have a plan B. Cause it never easy, it never easy. You see me? We used to the rough life. This is how the boss tell you. We used to the rough life. But look at me now. We are stars among stars. Fuck you talk about. We are stars. Big up yourself, G. Proud of one.
Now I do it for my bros, cause that's my family. Shutting down shows, cover spots like it's acne. Now they wanna at me. Niggas try to show me game, but I still remain the same.
Alright, the boss tell us, say, listen, when there was no one around, I was still doing it. Cause I believe in a me. You see me? No shows a pop off, them a try at me. Not at me a bumbuckler, go at your mama and your poopa. Not at me. Don't at me. We have blood clot and go. You're running. Don't run in. Ease off. Ease off. Handbrake. Hand bumper clap brake. Don't run in.
Yeah, I knew this shit wasn't for me. Never so Bobby. Used to kick bull, now these niggas finna know me, but they don't know my body.
Ah, hold on. Me just spot something a while ago, bro. Hold on a minute. Hold on.
Born and raised in Hackney. Never had it easy, but I always had a plan B. Now I do it for my bros, cause that's my family. Shutting down shows, cover spots like it's acne. Now they wanna at me.
Yeah.
Niggas try to show me game, but I still remain the same. Yeah, I knew this shit wasn't for me. Never so Bobby. Used to kick bull, now these niggas finna know me.
Lady Leisha drop a video already. Billionsgate Market. This is the fish market in Canary Wharf side, right? Lady Leisha drop a video, so the boss drop a video. So also, nice place to drop video, because you don't know this unusual traffic light here, so big up yourself. Me Jay, you're outside, I do it!
But they don't know my body. Cali. You don't know you changed my life. I was sleeping on myself, but I had to rise.
Big up yourself, friends.
Plotting on this game, I know this shit's a sacrifice. That's my mini-me, you know I got eat, that's for life. I'm just scanning through the motions, I'm just trying to make it work. Did these people really love me, but behind my back they smart. Money don't come easy, boy, you gotta put in work. All these haters keep on talking, all they do is chirp. I'm just scanning through the motions, I'm just trying to make it work. Did these people really love me, but behind my back they smart. Money don't come easy, boy, you gotta put in work. All these haters keep on talking, all they do is chirp. Now I'm doing YouTube, but I love this music, this shit that you can cruise to.
Now I'm doing YouTube, but I love this music, this is the shit that you can creep to. Him love him YouTube, him I tell you, I'm a YouTuber. But music is my first love. YouTube, I'm do YouTube, but him still in the music scene. Him still in the music because him react to other people's song. Him and 𝐁𝐑𝐿 react to other people's song. So, him I tell us say, yo, music, the singing, I'm first. But him can sing. Him can sing. Bad. Song bad for me so far. Bad.
Chirp. Now I'm doing YouTube, but I love this music, this shit that you can cruise to. Never thought I'd do it, it's a risk, that's what I'm used to. So the haters coming, eyes peeled for that review. I got a clear view. Never thought we make it, now we glowed up. Understand my pain, you know my lifestyle. Whipping in the rain, I'm doing donuts. Only got money in my brain, just like a roller. Step inside the place for my presence in the room.
When I step in the room, pussy. Say it with the chest if you have something to say, pussy. Say it, yes or no. Present be known. Them know say, yo, that's DENZ, you know. That's DENZ from YouTube, you know. Yeah, man. You know DENZ&RENZ. Oh, yeah, DENZ&RENZ, man. Of them, that, man. Pick up yourself, man. Yeah. Wagwan G. Yeah. Then them going around the and say, you know, say them boy, they're pussy. But I always dislike them video on YouTube. God dislike your mother when she left on your fat. Alright, left that. Let's go.
Shit, spread my wings, but I watch the way I bloom. Only going up, hell yeah, to the moon. I'm surrounded by some winners, and you know we don't lose. I'm just scanning through the motions, I'm just trying to make it work. These people really love me, but behind my back they smart. Money don't come easy, boy, you gotta put in work. All these haters keep on talking, all they do is chirp.
Money doesn't come easy, so you have to put in the work. The boss will tell you that. No for a boy want to sit down on the back side and try to gain and try to get rich. Some of this fast lane shit is not going to work for someone, you know. Or not going to end up dead or they are prison. Pick on the choice. Be patient, believe in yourself and work hard for anything you want, G. You see me? Don't run on the fast life. It's not for everybody. That's why they make sidewalk. The street is not for everybody. You see it? Yeah. Let's go.
I'm just scanning through the motions, I'm just trying to make it work. These people really love me, but behind my back they smart. Money don't come easy, boy, you gotta put in work. All these haters keep on talking, all they do is chirp.
Yeah.
Trying to make it work. Behind my back they smart.
Manager graphics. Then it DENZ. This bad, I like this.
Hey, that's for Tony on the beat.
Bad. Yo, that bad. Brother, that bad. DENZ, that bad. 𝐁𝐑𝐿&RENZ, big up on yourself. You know, when I like to see Tony do a collab. Still, I have to hear 𝐁𝐿&RENZ on a track too, you know. 𝐁𝐿&RENZ, you say, you don't jump on a track, bro. Jump on a track, dog. And dog, I'm telling you something, brother. Take off my glasses, because I'm serious, you know. Link me on Instagram, brother. I have a serious question for ask you, brother. That's why I message you over there. Link me on Instagram. I put it to the public for them see it. Message me back on Instagram, dog. JAMAICA'S game, I'm in a DM about a month or 2 months ago. Link me back, bro. Bumbleclad there. Eh? Support your colleague. Bumbleclad. Anyway, guys, enough of that. The full song I gonna be in my description below. Click on it. Tell them to JAMAICA'S game. React, you know. Make them know it's our next reactor, you know. You see me? Yeah. Big up on yourself. We are outside. Now the girl them outside. You deaf? Out.